Hi children. Your theorem 8.7. If a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle to the hypotenuse, then the triangle on both sides of the perpendicular are similar to whole triangle and to each other. This is very important question, sir. మీరు క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్లో చూస్తే either 4 marks or 4 marks, sorry, not 4 marks, either 2 marks or 1 mark or at least in objective type. Compulsory question, that much of important. And also this is important, this is a helper, very big helper to prove the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, right, చూద్దాం నా క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటి. So this is a right angle triangle. I draw right angle triangle. This is right angle. Your question is, if a perpendicular is drawn, you is asking to draw the perpendicular line. ఎక్కడి నుంచి నాన్న? From the vertex of the right angle. From this vertex of the right angle. ఎక్కడికి? To the hypotenuse. To the hypotenuse. Okay, I drawn. Then this triangle on both sides of this perpendicular. This side one triangle and another side one triangle. These two triangles are similar to the whole triangle. Means ADB triangle is similar to ABC triangle and BDC triangle is also similar to triangle ABC. And both each other, these two triangles are also similar for each other. He given this information. Means he is asking you to triangle ABC. Your biggest triangle is similar to triangle ADB and also triangle BDC. This is disaster. మిమ్మల్ని ఇలా అడుగుతున్నా అంటే మూడు పార్ట్స్ కూడా ఒకదానికొకటి సిమిలర్ అని చూపించమన్నారు. బట్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ సమ్ మోర్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అన్న. దట్ ఈస్ ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ మంచి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఇలా మీకు ఫిగర్ అవ్వబడింది, ఇక్కడ రైట్ యాంగిల్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ రైట్ యాంగిల్ ఉందని కానీ మీ మైండ్లోకి ఏమి రావాలంటే సరే ఇక్కడ ఒక అక్యూట్, ఈ అక్యూట్ నుంచి రైట్ యాంగిల్ ఏబీ స్క్వైర్ is equal to AD into again AC. AD into AC. You have to remember this. ప్రాబ్లం అంతా చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. బిట్ పేపర్ లోపడగానే ఇలా ఫిగర్ అవ్వబడిందని మన మనసులోకి ఏమర్థం కావాలి? AB స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు AD ఇంటూ AC. అండ్ వన్ మోర్ వన్, సెకండ్ వన్ ఈ యాక్టివ్ నుంచి వద్దాం, ఇటు నుంచి ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి రైట్ యాంగిల్ అంటే CB స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు we have to say CD ఇంటూ CA, CD into again CA full. And third one is middle one, BD square. BD square is equal to AD into DC. ఓకే, మనకి ఇవి అడగలేదు క్వశ్చన్లో చేయమని, ఇక్కడ వరకే చేయమన్నారు. బట్ ఇవి కూడా we have to expect from this. చూద్దాం ఎలా అనేది. గో ఫర్ ద ప్రూఫ్. Children, see this given. What he given in triangle ABC? Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. That is the right angle. And also BD is perpendicular on AC. This much of information he given to user. So required proof, what we have to prove? Proof is triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDC. Is asking to prove these three triangles similar to each other. And proof. Let's start with the proof now. How to do the proof? First, very simple. Just I am going to compare this small triangle and this biggest triangle. Here I am drawing the figure only. This is our actually biggest triangle, A, B, C. And this is the smallest triangle I drawn. This is also right angle. But for this both triangles is the common angle is A. That's why I kept here A. And for this small angle triangle, here is the right angle. That's why I kept here D. And the remaining letter I kept here. Now I am going to compare these two triangles. Very simple కదా, చాలా ఈజీగా చేయొచ్చు మనము. In triangle ABC, comma triangle ADB. Okay, in these two triangles, first angle A is equal to angle A. How means you write as common angles. Okay, common angles. And the next we have to say angle B is equal to that angle ABC. Angle ABC is equal to angle ADB. Why sir? Why these two are equal? Because they are the right angles. Okay, right angles. So that what happens is these two triangles are satisfied. They are satisfied. AA similarity criteria. Okay, very simply nana. So that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB. Okay, this is the first equation. From this we get expected answer, but in this question it did not ask, but for our convenience I am giving that extra. That is, when these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. What are the corresponding? AB by AD is equal to AC by AD. I am going to write this information. What's the AB by AD is equal to AC by what's the AD? So do the cross multiplication, we get AB square is equal to AD into AC. So this is extra information only. This, once you see now, AB square is equal to AD into AC. Like that we have to prove this. Right now, next we are going to compare again big triangle ABC and this small triangle, this side triangle, small triangle. The triangle name is BDC. Okay, where I kept B here, right angle B, and CC, common angle is C for the two triangles. That's why I kept here C. The remaining letter is here B. So now I am going to compare these two triangles. In triangle ABC, comma in triangle BDC. Sir, sorry, here D. Sorry. Okay, now in these two triangles, first angle C is equal to angle C. Why sir? Why these two are equal? Because common angles. Okay, these two are the common. When they are common, and one more sir, here these two are the right angles. In triangle, angle ABC is equal to angle BDC. Why these two are equal? Because give the information, right angles. Okay, so they are satisfied. AA similarity criteria. When they are satisfied AA similarity criteria, we have to say triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDC. This is equation 2. From first and second, we have to say ABC is similar to ADB and that ABC is similar to BDC. Therefore, we have to write triangle from first and second. ADB is similar to BDC. Okay. Before that, I will give that information. Just now I said no, the extra part. That is, these two triangles are similar. That's why their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Okay. So here BC by the BC by DC is equal to AC by BC. If you do the cross multiplication, we get BC square is equal to BC square is equal to CD into C. The CD into C. Also check now. CB square is equal to CD into CA. Like that we get this extra information also. Okay, right. From first and second. From first and second, we have to say triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC. So this is the third equation. It is asking first ADB is similar to the ABC and BDC is similar to the ABC, and therefore ADB is similar to BDC. From first, second, third, we have to say three triangles are similar, but we get from these two also, because these two triangles are similar triangles. That's why these corresponding sides are also with the same ratio. That is, what should we take now here? Example, BD by CD is equal to BD by CD is equal to AD by BD. If you do the cross multiplication, you get BD square is equal to AD into CD. See now this third auxiliary, this is BD square is equal to AD into DC. So you have to remember these three informations also, but he is asking only first equation, second equation and third equation. Have you understood clearly? Check once.